Hey guys, I'm interior designer and lifestyle expert Vanessa DeLeon, and welcome to Saddle River, New Jersey. This home was a full gut renovation. It was once a classic contemporary turned into a Hamptons-style Dutch colonial. Come take a look. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with this over-the-top two-story foyer. We did a herringbone floor, and we did all this beautiful detail moldings, including the beautiful coffered ceiling. In the chandelier, it's very much a traditional style, and the gold and the crystals just make it contemporary with a little bit of class. For the stair runner, I chose black and white, and in fact, you'll see that black and white theme throughout the rest of the home. And right off the foyer is the piano room. My clients wanted something smoky and sexy. I found this beautiful wallpaper, and I thought this was perfect for the piano room. But that's not all. I wanted something to resonate with them, so I asked them for their favorite song. And here you have it, the New York State of Mind. I made it out of three-dimensional letters in gold to work with all the accents throughout the room. This is a conversation room, and that's the conversation piece. So in contrast from the piano room, I wanted the dining room to feel lighter and brighter. And it all started with a custom ceiling. I didn't want to do a traditional ceiling, so I did something with curves to echo the wallpaper. And to add that extra depth, I added high lacquer paint to give a bit of reflection, which also mimics the high gloss black of the dining room tabletop. Typically, you'll see black and gold as accents, but in this scenario, we did whites, creams, and golds. And you'll notice that on the wallpaper and the chairs. In the kitchen, it's all about the introduction of mixed metals. And it all started with the stove. This is a lacquered stove, and traditionally, it's a stainless steel top. So by flanking the stove with these draws in mixed metals, it makes it look like a massive installation. I added classic custom cabinetry, and I did some chicken wire on the top cabinets just to give it a little edge. And of course, I added gold hardware throughout. When looking for this beautiful marble, I wanted to make sure that it had elements of my signature black and white, but I wanted to introduce a bit of the green. So there's continuity from the piano room right into the kitchen counters. When designing this island, I took inspiration from the hood. And it's all about relationship. The base of the table matches the dining room ceiling. This isn't just a great room, this is a conversation room. My clients have a big family, and that's why I positioned two sectionals facing each other, flanked by two chairs. Not only are these L-shaped sectionals perfect for conversation, they're really comfy too. This also adds a lot of visual interest when admiring the room from above. And I wanted to take advantage of this double-story great room, so I adorned the ceiling with another fun pattern. And to complement the ceiling, I added a starburst chandelier. No matter what I tried, I couldn't find the right coffee tables for this room, so I designed them myself. These are part of my collection. And this oversized rug ties everything together. My clients requested a speakeasy vibe in their basement, but I upped the ante. The lounge area is flanked by these custom built-in wine cellars. And in this lounge, there's a separate seating for the cigar lovers. If you want to practice your shot, there's a gun range. If you want to get sweaty, there's a gym. If you want to relax, there's a spa. And if you want to party, there's this bar. I selected Nero Marquina for the countertops. I also did this beautiful gold inlay within the cabinet and this very special metallic green. The reason we selected that specific green is because it matches my client's favorite car. And from this angle, it looks like a whole car, but it's actually only half. We treated this like an art installation. Because after all, this entire home is a work of art. Hope you enjoy one of my favorite homes that I've worked on. It's a fusion of my glamalistic approach to design. See you in the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.